Look closely at the modern fitness and wellness industry. We have been sold a massive billion-dollar lie. We are told that as we age, the only way to prevent muscle loss, maintain our strength, and fuel our bodies is by choking down massive scoops of highly processed, synthetically isolated protein powders. We drink these laboratory-engineered shakes, yet we are plagued by severe digestive distress, systemic inflammation, and a profound bone-deep exhaustion. We are flooding our bodies with isolated amino acids stripped from their natural matrix, but our cells are literally starving for structural biological truth. Now, pivot your gaze to the ancient world. Long before the invention of the pharmaceutical or supplement industries, the ancients built empires, fought grueling battles, and lived robust, physically demanding lives well into their later years. The patriarchs, prophets, and warriors of Scripture did not have plastic tubs of whey isolate. They derived their unmatched physical endurance from a living, uncorrupted matrix of whole food proteins that the Creator designed to work in absolute harmony with the human body. Today, we are throwing away the toxic protein powders. We are going to reconstruct the 7 ancient protein sources that fueled generations of antiquity, bridging ancient biblical history with cutting-edge cellular science. You must stay with me for this entire 4-minute journey, because item number 4 contains a specific, ancient legume that actually provides the exact biological precursor your brain needs to stop tremors. And item number 7 is an ancient aquatic protein that physically rebuilds the gray matter of your aging brain. Before we unlock the foundation of this ancient strength, please hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon. We are building a powerful community of believers and health seekers who are returning to the Creator's original, uncorrupted design for human vitality. Let's begin. 1. The foundation of the altar. Slow-simmered bone broth. We begin with the absolute foundation of ancient physical restoration, the marrow and the bone. Throughout the Old Testament sacrificial system, the bones, the marrow, and the connective tissues were treated with immense reverence. In the book of Ezekiel, chapter 24, the prophet is commanded to put in the pieces, all the good pieces, the thigh and the shoulder. Fill it with choice bones. The ancients wasted absolutely nothing. They knew that the deepest, most restorative strength did not come from the muscle meat alone, but from the slow, deliberate extraction of the structural framework of the animal. Fast forward to the 21st century, and cellular biologists have isolated the exact miracle inside the ancient boiling pot. Muscle meat and protein powders are excessively high in an amino acid called methionine, which, in isolation, can actually drive systemic inflammation. But the bones and marrow are packed with glycine, proline, and pure type 2 collagen. These specific amino acids do not just build muscle, they build the extracellular matrix. They are the exact biological building blocks required to regenerate degraded cartilage, heal torn ligaments, and restore the elasticity of your aging skin. If you are struggling to exercise because your knees ache, your rotator cuffs are constantly inflamed, or you feel like your body is structurally falling apart, dumping whey protein into your stomach will do absolutely nothing. Your muscles might be temporarily fed, but your connective tissues, the hinges of your body, are literally starving to death. The ancient secret for daily use is time and acidity. You cannot rush this process, and you cannot buy it in a sterile, lab-created carton from the grocery store. You must source grass-fed marrow and knuckle bones. Place them in a pot, but before you simmer, add 2 tablespoons of raw, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar. The acetic acid acts as a biological solvent, literally pulling the calcium, magnesium, and trace minerals out of the bone matrix and into the liquid. Let it simmer on low for 24 to 48 hours until the bones literally crumble in your hands. Drink 1 warm mug of this golden elixir every morning on an empty stomach to rebuild your physical foundation. 2. The birthright pulse. Red lentils. Our second ancient protein is the birthright pulse. In the book of Genesis, Esau, a rugged, physically dominant hunter, returns from the field so utterly depleted and famished that he sells his entire birthright to his brother Jacob for a single bowl of red lentil stew. While it was a spiritually foolish trade, it reveals a profound biological truth. Ancient nomadic cultures understood that this dense legume was an unmatched source of rapid, sustaining physical revival for a body pushed to the absolute brink of exhaustion. Modern endocrinologists revere the lentil for a very specific reason. It perfectly marries branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, like leucine, with massive amounts of soluble fiber. When you drink a modern protein shake, the isolated protein absorbs so quickly that it violently spikes your insulin. Your body often panics and converts that excess protein directly into sugar through a process called gluconeogenesis. Lentils, however, provide a slow, metered release of amino acids. They feed your muscles continuously for hours without triggering a single insulin spike, making them the ultimate anti-aging fuel. If you are over 50 and experiencing creeping frailty, if your arms are losing their mass, your legs feel weak when standing up from a chair, and your midsection is holding on to stubborn visceral belly fat, you are experiencing sarcopenia, combined with insulin resistance. Your body desperately needs muscle-building protein, but it cannot handle the insulin spikes of modern processed diets. The ancient secret to unlocking this legume is neutralization. Lentils contain phytic acid and lectins compounds that cause severe bloating and block mineral absorption. You cannot just boil them straight from the bag. You must soak them overnight in warm water, and here is the hidden culinary medicine. Add a single bay leaf to the soaking water. The enzymes in the bay leaf actively break down the complex gas-causing sugars, oligosaccharides, in the lentils. Rinse them the next day and cook them slowly. You will experience a surge of clean, muscle-sustaining energy with absolutely zero digestive distress. 3. The shepherd's provision: fermented curds, raw kefir. Ingredient number 3 brings living, biological power: fermented curds. In 1 Samuel, before the young shepherd David ever picked up his sling to face Goliath, his father Jesse gave him a very specific mission. He commanded David to take roasted grain and 10 cheeses, literally translated as 10 portions of milk curds, to his older brothers on the front lines of the battlefield. In the ancient Near East, raw, fermented dairy was the ultimate tactical fuel for soldiers. It did not require a fire to cook, and it provided a massive surge of instant bioavailable power without spoiling in the desert heat. Modern gastroenterology has revealed a tragic truth about the whey protein powders we consume today. Most commercial whey isolate is flash pasteurized at blistering temperatures, completely denaturing the fragile proteins and destroying the immune-boosting enzymes. But raw fermented dairy from pasture-raised goats or sheep contains native whey, lactoferrin, and billions of living probiotic bacteria. Lactoferrin is a miraculous peptide that actively binds to iron, stealing it from pathogenic bacteria in your gut and starving them to death. While the living probiotics actively repair the tight junctions of a leaky gut lining. Are you entirely intolerant to modern dairy? Do you suffer from severe morning bloating, adult acne, or systemic joint stiffness after consuming protein shakes? Your immune system is not fighting protein. It is fighting the dead, highly processed, heavily sweetened sludge we call fitness fuel. Your gut microbiome is starving for living, ancestral bacteria. The ancient secret is the separation and the souring. Do not buy pasteurized, sugar-laden yogurt from the store. You must seek out raw, unpasteurized milk, preferably a 2-cow, goat, or sheep milk. Introduce living kefir grains to the milk and let it ferment on your counter at room temperature for 24 to 36 hours. The bacteria will literally eat the lactose sugars, transforming the milk into a tart, thick, effervescent superfood. Drink half a cup of this sour living whey every single day. It will digest effortlessly and rebuild your microbiome from the ground up. 4. The Ezekiel pulse: sprouted ancient beans. Our 4th ancient protein brings us to a specific recipe handed down by the Creator himself. In Ezekiel chapter 4, during the impending siege of Jerusalem, God gave the prophet a survival blueprint. He was commanded to take wheat, barley, beans, lentils, millet, and spelt, put them in a single vessel, and make bread from them. This combination of ancient beans, specifically fava beans and chickpeas, was not just a desperate famine food. It was a perfectly engineered complete protein matrix designed to sustain human life under extreme duress. Science has uncovered a staggering revelation about ancient beans, particularly the broad bean or fava bean. While modern protein powders focus only on muscles, these ancient beans focus on the nervous system. Fava beans are one of the only natural food sources on Earth that contain high concentrations of L-Dopa. L-Dopa is the direct biological precursor to dopamine. When you consume it, it crosses the blood-brain barrier and feeds the exact neurotransmitters responsible for smooth motor control, deep focus, and emotional resilience. If you are an older adult dealing with unexplained hand tremors, severe restless leg syndrome at night, a pervasive lack of motivation, or a heavy depressive brain fog, your brain is not lacking synthetic vitamins. It is starved of dopamine. Your neurological engine is misfiring because it lacks the raw biological materials to build its neurotransmitters. The ancient secret to unlocking the neurological power of the bean is the sprout. If you eat them unsprouted, the phytic acid blocks the nutrients. You must soak your organic fava beans or chickpeas in water for 48 hours, rinsing them twice a day until a tiny white tail, a sprout, bursts through the hull. This biological awakening multiplies the vitamin C content by 500% and unlocks the L-Dopa. Steam these sprouted beans gently, mash them with olive oil, and you have a protein source that literally feeds your brain's command center. 5. The Deliverance Feast. Pasture-raised ruminant meat, lamb. Our fifth protein is the sacred meat of deliverance, the lamb. In the book of Exodus, on the night before the Israelites were liberated from generations of slavery, God commanded a very specific meal. They were to roast a spotless lamb over the fire and eat it entirely. This was not merely symbolic. It was intense physical preparation. They were about to embark on a grueling multi-day march through an unforgiving wilderness. They needed the most bioavailable, nutrient-dense fuel on the face of the earth. Modern nutritional science confirms that grass-fed, pasture-raised ruminant meat is a biological superfood that no plant or powder can fully replicate. It is packed with highly bioavailable heme iron, which your body absorbs instantly to build oxygen-carrying red blood cells. But the true miracle is an amino acid derivative called L-carnitine. L-carnitine is a biological taxicab. Its sole function is to grab stored body fat and shuttle it directly into your cell's mitochondria to be burned as pure, unadulterated energy. If you suffer from chronic, unexplainable fatigue, if your hands and feet are always freezing cold, or if your brain feels shrouded in a thick fog by 2 p.m., you are likely suffering from subclinical anemia and a severe lack of bioavailable B12. Your blood is literally incapable of carrying enough physical oxygen to your brain and your muscles. You cannot fix this with a synthetic multivitamin. You need the original blood builder. The ancient secret here is digestive activation. To digest dense, powerful meat, your body requires stomach acid and bile. The Israelites were commanded to eat the Passover lamb with bitter herbs. This was biological genius. The moment bitter greens hit your tongue, the vagus nerve signals your stomach to drop its pH and commands your gallbladder to release a surge of bile. Never eat heavy proteins alone. Pair your grass-fed meats with a handful of sharp, bitter greens like arugula or dandelion. This ensures that every single ounce of that protein is broken down perfectly without sitting heavily in your gut. 6. The complete matrix. Ancient eggs. Ingredient number 6 brings us the ultimate perfectly packaged complete protein, the egg. In the ancient world, eggs from free-roaming fowl were a prized source of sustenance. In the book of Job, chapter 6, Job asks a profound, poetic question regarding flavor and sustenance. Is there any taste in the white of an egg? The ancients understood that while the white contained the protein structure, the true treasure, the life-giving essence, resided entirely within the deep golden yolk. If you have been throwing away your egg yolks because you fear cholesterol, you have been robbed of one of the greatest anti-aging foods in existence. The yolk of a true pasture-raised egg is dense in choline and vitamin K2. Choline is the direct building block for acetylcholine, the neurotransmitter responsible for memory and learning. But vitamin K2 is the real miracle for adults over 50. Vitamin K2 acts as a biological traffic cop. It pulls dangerous calcium out of your arteries, where it causes heart attacks, and forces it directly into your bones and teeth, where it belongs. Are you terrified of heart disease? Do you suffer from creeping arterial stiffness while simultaneously dealing with osteopenia or weakening bones? This is the classic paradox of a vitamin K2 deficiency. Your body has calcium, but without the fats found in ancient egg yolks, that calcium is literally cementing your arteries shut instead of building your skeleton. The ancient secret here is temperature control. You must protect the yolk. If you hard-boil your eggs until the yolk is chalky and gray, or if you scramble them over high heat, you physically oxidize the delicate cholesterol, turning a healing fat into a damaging one. The secret is to consume the white fully cooked for protein absorption, but leave the yolk soft, runny, or even raw. Cook your eggs sunny side up over low heat. This perfectly preserves the integrity of the choline and the K2, delivering the exact biological matrix your brain and bones require. 7. The Galilean catch. Small wild fish. We have arrived at the seventh and final ancient protein, the ultimate staple of the Galilee, wild fish. Throughout the New Testament, fish is at the center of miraculous provision. Christ fed the 5,000 with small fish and loaves. And in the profound post-resurrection account in John 21, Jesus stands on the shore at dawn, cooking fish over a charcoal fire, offering physical restoration to his exhausted disciples. In the ancient Mediterranean diet, small, oily fish were consumed almost daily to sustain sharp minds and enduring bodies. Modern neurology has proven that while meat builds the muscles, wild aquatic protein physically builds the brain. Small, oily fish like sardines, anchovies, and mackerel provide highly digestible protein peptides alongside a massive payload of omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA. DHA literally forms the structural membrane of your brain cells. It reduces neuroinflammation, repairs damaged neural pathways, and allows your aging brain to communicate with lightning speed. If you are working out to build your body, but your mind is failing if you are experiencing terrifying moments of brain fog, forgetting names, or suffering from chronic dry eyes, your brain is starved of structural fats. You can have the strongest muscles in the world, but if your neural pathways are becoming rigid and inflamed, your physical vitality is entirely meaningless. The ancient secret here is consuming the entire biological matrix. Do not rely on highly processed, rancid fish oil pills. You must eat the small, wild fish whole, including the tiny, soft bones. These bones provide a highly bioavailable calcium-phosphorus matrix that aging adults desperately need. But crucially, you must pair the fish with a polyphenol. Drizzle your sardines heavily with fresh, extra virgin olive oil before eating. The antioxidants in the oil act as a biological shield, preventing the delicate omega-3 brain fats from oxidizing in your stomach, ensuring they reach your frontal lobe perfectly intact. The conclusion. Look closely at this table. What you are seeing is not a fitness trend. It is original, uncorrupted nourishment. We have joint-healing collagen, slow-burning legumes, gut-sealing probiotics, dopamine-boosting beans, blood-building meats, bone-protecting yolks, and brain-restoring marine fats, all perfectly synergized. True, life-changing human vitality was never meant to be extracted from a synthetic, artificially sweetened tub of factory powder. The Creator has already provided the ultimate fuel for your physical strength in the absolute brilliance of nature. To heal your body and reclaim your strength, we do not need the latest scientific supplement invention. We simply need to return to the ancient paths. I challenge you to throw away the protein powders for just 30 days and replace them with these ancient foods, and watch how your muscles, your joints, and your digestion resurrect. If you believe that the human body was divinely designed to thrive when given the right ancient tools, I want you to write the word Amen down in the comments below. And tell me, which of these 7 ancient proteins are you going to implement first? Are you going to simmer the bone broth, or are you eager to try the sprouted beans? Let our community know. Thank you for spending your time with me today. Remember to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our next journey into the ancient texts and true cellular healing. Walk in health, walk in faith, and I will see you in the next video.